Hello friend. In this session we are going to learn on how to get data from SQL database using SQL query to Power BI. So let us start first connecting the SQL database to our Power BI. So to connect SQL database we need to go to get data, which will be under home tab. So once you click on get data you will see a SQL server data source. If you can't see SQL Server data source here, you can click on more, and once you click on more, the Power BI will load all the data source that are present inside Power BI. So once it is loaded, you can see different categories. So here you will find SQL in database, that is SQL Server database. Still, if you finding any difficulty finding SQL Server database, there is an option search. You can just type here SQL and you will get SQL Server database. So there are all other databases which are related to SQL, that is Azure, Postgres, MySQL, but right now we are working with Microsoft SQL Server database. So just click on it and click connect. So once you click on connect, the SQL Server connectivity wizard will open. So it will ask you for server name, database optional, and connectivity mode. So before connecting to SQL Server, before providing information in SQL Server database wizard, let us first connect to our SSMS, which is our SQL Server Management Studio. So let me just open my SQL Server Management Studio. So I am pressing Windows R, which will open the run command, and there I am typing SSMS and I am hitting enter. So once I hit enter, my system will start SQL Server. So my current version is 2008 R2. So it will open my Management Studio. In case if you don't know Windows R, you can just directly go to search and type SSMS and you will get your SQL Server Management Studio. So as you can see, my server name which I am connecting is this Toshiba Tosh. So let me just click on connect, and I am connecting using authentication Windows because I don't have any username and password. This is my system SQL Server, so I have Windows authentication with me. So I am connecting, and it will definitely grant me the permission because I am the only user. So just click on connect. You can see. So once I click on connect, my server, so I am connected with my server. This is green. This indicate that my server is up and running. And when I click on database, so in my database you can see these are the database present in that server. So let me just click on new query. So as I am connecting SQL Server and fetching the data using SQL query to Power BI, so I just need to write one query. So let me use one table. So what I am going to use here is, let me use dim employee. So if I go to dim employee, so now I am going to write a query. So let me just check the data, select staff from the table name. So I will execute it and I will find that there are 296 rows. So these are the columns which are present in that table, like first name, last name, employee details, title, and marital status, married or single, gender, male, female, base rate, vacation hours. So each and every detail of an employee is being present here. Current flag 1, end date is null, end date. So basically end date means the employee has left the organization. If it is null, then the employee is still working. So let us work on this. So what I am going to do is I am just going to write one where clause where status equal to, let's say, current. So there are 290 rows. So it has eliminated all the null records. So this current means this all employees are currently present and working for my company. So